Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure you have a Google account and a working internet connection. Once done, open your device's App Store, search for Google Drive, and install or update the app. After installation, open Drive, you'll see a sign and prompt. Tap it and enter your Google email and password. If you've enabled two-step verification, complete that step. Otherwise, Drive will finish signing you in and show your main My Drive view ready for use. Once signed in, learn the interface so you can move efficiently. Tap My Drive to view your folders and files, shared to see items others gave access to, and recent for latest activity. To add content, tap the plus icon to upload photos, select files, or create a new folder. You can also scan documents with your camera. Use the search bar for file names or contents, apply filters to narrow results, and tap the star icon to mark. To finish, open any file and use the three-dot menu to share, get a link, or manage details. Set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions to control access. Make files available offline by toggling offline so you can open them without internet. Also review backup and sync settings to ensure automatic uploads. If Drive behaves oddly, sign out and sign back in, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. If sync still fails, check your Google account, sync settings, and network connection before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.